I, well, this is done. I just got up and got into the game. I just took the light fixture down and you can see what I mentioned before about how the walls that should just connect and have another one of these do that. So I would have to do that to both, because it would have to be both. Not that I want to. But the plan was to have this there, meaning to make that happen, I'd have to start with that so that I can actually detach you. There isn't anything in the way there, but I'll put you there instead so that you can... Okay, that's a different problem than the one I expected. Why do you have to be so fucking stupid? You. Okay, this is just fucking obnoxiously done. I hate you already. I can't put things there because they're there. Yeah, those are in the way, so that won't work. But it's not. Fucking trash. I'm liking how the building works in this. Less and less every time I have to fucking interact with it. Because it seems like they've gone out of the way to be as obtuse and broken as possible. You... Really? You will let me grab other things, but not that? Fuck you. Get the fuck out of the way, then. Yeah, more tomatoes. Good for you. So I can get you out of the way there. And you like fucking up the walls even though it's not in the way. That's also untrue. Fucking trash. It's not. You're just fucking trash. No. There is nothing there, you broken piece of shit. I hate you so fucking much. I hate you so fucking much. It's like the game wants to guarantee that I will never want to play it again. You. Also get out of the way. Maybe. Yeah, you're gonna fuck up more of the stuff on the walls, but that's fine. You are the one that needed to go there, and then... Fuck. You got slapped onto something else. I'm gonna have to rearrange. I only know which one you are because of that. You were next. Are you still the one that should be there? Of course, to move you, I have to move that whole arm onto something else. Because this is obtusely fucking done. Because you can't. It won't let me just have it on its own. It has to be attached to other shit, which... No! Let me get it out of the fu... This is so infuriatingly badly done. I hate it so fucking much. And I wouldn't have bothered to build anything or put anything in any of it if I knew beforehand that it was this badly done. I would have waited until I had all of the space and built all the buildings and then tucked them in here and waited. I hate it. Fuck you. Well, since you're failing to do it correctly, if I do that, will you? No. You refuse to do that with that one. And you can't do that with that, but at least now I can move the whole thing forward. That is not what I'm trying to get you to fucking do. Jesus Christ. You still won't do it. Slap a different room on. Will you? No. That room just refuses to pick up. What is in it that is making that happen? Why the fuck did you put it in my inventory? Store it in the fucking place it belongs, you fucking piece of shit. Don't flood my inventory fucking first. Don't put it in here at all. Miserable fucking thing. Just put it in storage. Fucking hell. You won't store the Killama shit. Fine. That's everything, yeah? Fucking thing. Get back the fuck out of my inventory. You can't actually interact with spaces where those are popped up. You have to wait until the notification goes away. Which is a different sort of interface problem. That. You refused to store those for no good reason. But there. Now, you're where you belong and all the rooms are empty. I'm not doing it again. You get to sit there. You get to sit there, and the rest of that shit gets to wait. No. Because if I have to move things again, I will have to go through... No. No. Now I gotta put all of you back. You know what? Shoo. You go back away with the rest of it. Fine. You might as well see it. I'm learning it now. You might as well know. the fuck did you mess up the hydration? Sometimes it does weird shit. These ones got harvested. Game day yesterday, because I harvested them when I came in, and then the day has changed to the next day. And they sprouted again because growth boost. I didn't expect 2 back-to-back harvest days because of growth boost, so that's a quirk in how that's working. Not a problem necessarily, just weird. Right. I've got a bunch of tomatoes. And potatoes. Potatoes. Okay. Let's start with that. Yes, I was trying to set them up so that they would take the same amount of time to complete. Right? You could see there where it lies about wanting corn. Sure, be that way. Yeah. It says it wants corn, but it's actually any veg, which is why I use the carrots, because they're on top, and I don't want to have to sift through. And the reason why I've developed, or gotten into the habit of doing this the way I do, is so that the position of my mouse cursor doesn't move, so I can just click make, or prep, or whatever the actual thing is. Because if I rotate my camera view, my mouse cursor's position moves. But I don't have to. Where that really comes in is the making the chili oil and then turning back around to make the rice. But if I do that, oh look, my mouse cursor's right where I want it to be. And my mouse cursor's right where I want it to be. There. Now we have a full stack. I will end up putting stuff in you again. Honestly, I could spread this stuff out a bit more, but it's fine for now. Right now, these are just making more stone bricks, because I sold some because I was making more. Because, yeah, just like these are burning through that stuff. And I don't have enough of that to make more furniture. It's 340s left. Yeah. 40, 40, 40. Yeah. And then everything else has check marks, because everything else has been made. If I go farm twice, I could get enough for that. If I get lucky enough to actually have people. Do that. That's one of the first things I did when I came in to the game, was set those up again. So, if I happen to get any, it saves me a bunch of time and effort. If I don't, I'll just put them up again, because, as we saw last time, you know, can't hurt to try. And it really does save a lot of time and effort in the case of those in particular, because everything else has taken less time and effort to get. I may find some rare bug or fish that I could say that about, but I don't need hundreds, if not thousands, of them. So, I think the frustration with that is enough for all of us for now, though.